Hey guys, how you doing? Uplifting cooking. Just a little talk. When you go to eat. Doesn't that sound funny? Watch our channel and watch what we do. Learn on how to make your fridge your best friend. Learn on how to make your stove your best friend. Learn that, imagine if you could cook healthy and it felt like you were going out to eat every day. You would lose a lot of weight, you would get a lot healthier. We're not doctors, nor are we psychologists, but we are here to show you our home, how we live every day, sharing it with one household, even a day or millions. Let's change the way we view our eating, get rid of fear, get rid of anxiety, and let's just start one drop of water at a time, 1 grain at a time. Hear that in the background? That's nature. Am I gonna stop the filming or the recording because I hear nature? Do I need to perfect something? Of course not. It's your home. Make your home your body and be more fearless and hope more. Breathe more. And love more. We love you. Reach out. Subscribe. We miss you. Yeah, we miss you. We can't wait to do another episode. We really can't. So hang in there. Watch our channel. Just by watching it, it's going to change the way you feel about yourself. Subscribe. Hey guys.